How's it going, peeps? Ricardo Campbell Farmer. Today we're doing some weeding and we're going to do some planting. We're going to plant some carrots today, at least 1 acre, and then try to do some sweet potato and cassava. We're here with Miss Diane, Mr. Wayne. They're preparing the soil for the carrots, weeding and making the bed straight so they can just come through and sprinkle the carrots all the way down. We're going to go maybe 5-6 rows of carrot. That should be about 1 acre. And then we're going to finish the cassava and the potatoes down here. It's kind of dry season now, so a lot of our potatoes didn't catch, especially the Irish. They're drying up. There's no water. But this is a learning experience, and we're going to keep learning. That's Joel down there, going down there. We need rain bad, man. It rained in like one time in like 2 months. It rained in the last 2 months, and you can't really hand water it. Hand water just makes the plant dead because there's too much stuff in the water here. You need rainwater. Definitely need rainwater. So hopefully we can do my rain dance tonight again with my Anapino rain dance, and hopefully we can get some rain. So this is where we are today. Be here for a few hours, and then we'll go from there. All right, thanks, Pete. Looking for an investor? Call Ricardo. Also, we're going to be supplying the hotels with kale, cabbage, lettuce, tomato. We're going to do a hydroponic system, and we're going to set aside space for the hotels. Yeah, man, so they can get what they need, and then we'll just build them. We'll have additional income plus a distribution. Yeah, man, later.